Me. We made a track for our Hot Wheels, Liam's Hot Wheels here, right? Yeah, and we want to race them. And so we found a way that we can only spend $3. We're going to teach you how you can build one at home. So stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Go!
What's up, everybody? Hi! Liam here. Say that we made a track. Who you kissing? Hey, who you kissing? You too young. This bundle of tracks, it's about 48 inches long for $1. Right here at Dollar Tree, right? Hot Wheel cars. So we picked up about 5 of them that we don't have yet. We're gonna go race them out. So we bought some foam board, racetracks, right?
Yeah.
And cars. We want to build one, right?
Yeah.
This bad boy right here. Everything here is from the Dollar Tree. Foam board, popsicle sticks, and the 2 racetracks that I told you that were there. Here's how we did it. Ruler. Razor blade. Sticks, pen. All right. Glue sticks. Thanks. Tracks. Rubber band. Hey! Thanks. Whatever car wins this one, we're gonna give to you. Deal? Deal.
1, 2, 3.
Go! This is the one that won, and Liam's gonna give it away. We want to say thank you very much. So be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.